In a bustling city, there lived a young man named Rohan. He was bright, ambitious, and full of dreams. However, like many others, Rohan often struggled to make the best use of his time. He would spend hours on social media, watching videos, chatting with friends, and indulging in distraction. While he had big goals, become successful in his career, and make a difference in the world, he never seemed to find the time to work toward them. Rohan's parents were hardworking individuals who had always taught him the importance of discipline and focus. His father, a school teacher, would often say, "Time is the most valuable resource. Once it's gone, you can never get it back. Use it wisely." But Rohan, like many young people, was more focused on enjoying the moment without realizing how his time was slipping away. One day, Rohan's life took an unexpected turn. He was offered a job opportunity at a prestigious company, something he had dreamed of for years. However, the position required a lot of patience. Rohan had to master several skills, improve his knowledge, and build his portfolio. It was the opportunity of a lifetime, but there was one problem. Rohan had wasted so much time in the past that he was now behind in acquiring the necessary skills. Rohan was determined to seize the opportunity, but he quickly realized how difficult it was to catch up. The pressure was overwhelming. He was working long hours to improve his skills, but it felt like he was always playing catch up. One evening, exhausted from study, late into the night, Rohan sat down with his father. Seeing his son's frustration, his father spoke with great wisdom. "Rohan, remember the word I have always told you. Time is precious. The key to success is not just about hard work, but about using time wisely. You cannot go back in time, but you can start today and make every moment count." His father then shared a story from his own life. "When I was your age, I had to balance work and studies, but I learned to organize my time. I used to wake up early, plan my day, and avoid distraction. It was not always easy, but I made sure that every hour counted toward my goals. That's how I got ahead." Rohan realized that his father would held the key to his success. It was not too late to change, but it would require discipline and focus. From that moment, Rohan decided to make a plan for how he would use his time. He set clear goals for each day, broke his task into smaller, manageable chunks, and committed to staying focused during his work hours. He also reduced his time on distraction, limiting his use of social media and making sure to prioritize his studies and skill development. Weeks passed, and Rohan showed significant improvement. His productivity soared, and he felt more confident in his abilities. When the day of the interview finally arrived, he was well prepared. His hard work paid off, and he was offered the job. Ron's story became an inspiration to others in his circle. He had learned the importance of using time wisely, and he shared this lesson with his friends and colleagues. The lesson was clear: time once lost can never be regained, so make every moment count. Moral: time is the most valuable resource we have. How we use it determines our success and happiness. The key to achieve our goals lies in making wise choice with our time, avoiding distraction and staying disciplined in our efforts.